Ever pondered over your nightly routine, wondering if there's something you could add to enhance your overall health? Well, how about considering apple cider vinegar? This tangy liquid, a product of fermented apple juice where sugars are converted into acetic acid, is gaining popularity for its potential health benefits, particularly when consumed at night. Firstly, apple cider vinegar is known for balancing blood sugars. Acetic acid, its key component, improves insulin sensitivity and reduces blood sugar levels. Consuming it before bed helps regulate glucose levels overnight, ensuring metabolic stability. Secondly, it plays a significant role in weight management. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is converted into ketones, including acetone and butyrate. These compounds increase fat burning and reduce fat storage, making it a potential aid for weight management. Thirdly, it improves gut health. The acetic acid contributes to a healthier gut lining, leading to improved digestion, nutrient absorption, and reduced inflammation. When consumed at night, it works on repairing the gut lining while the body is at rest. Fourthly, it helps prevent autoimmune diseases. By promoting gut health, apple cider vinegar regulates the immune system and reduces the risk of inflammatory conditions. Next, it provides an energy boost for the following day. The improved insulin sensitivity and stabilized blood sugar levels lead to sustained energy release, providing a natural energy boost without stimulants. Sixthly, it supports the immune system. The slightly acidic nature of apple cider vinegar activates white blood cells, enhancing the body's ability to combat harmful microbes, a particularly valuable effect when consumed before bed, as the body's repair and regeneration processes are heightened during sleep.
Let's start with the nighttime drink recipe. All you need is 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar mixed with a glass of water. If you're looking for a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of lemon. Consuming this mixture before bedtime may help regulate blood sugar levels and boost metabolism. If you're more of a tea person, here's a soothing tea infusion recipe. Start by steeping a bag of caffeine-free herbal tea in hot water. Stir in a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and if you wish, a bit of honey. Sip this comforting blend in the evening to reap the potential health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Moving on to salads, apple cider vinegar can elevate your dressings. A basic recipe involves combining 3 parts olive oil with 1 part apple cider vinegar. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs or spices. Whisk the ingredients together and drizzle over your salad for a tangy kick. For a sweet and tangy taste, try a honey mustard variation. Simply mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and Dijon mustard, then add honey to taste. Blend well to create a delightful dressing. For a refreshing twist, try a citrus dressing. Combine apple cider vinegar with orange or lemon juice in a 2-to-1 ratio. Add olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of honey. Shake or whisk the ingredients together for a zesty dressing. Now, a few tips to remember. Start slow. Begin with smaller amounts of apple cider vinegar and slowly increase as your body adjusts. Quality matters. Always opt for raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, which contains beneficial enzymes and probiotics. Look for reputable brands to ensure quality. Don't limit apple cider vinegar to salads. Incorporate it into marinades, sauces, and even use it as a meat tenderizer to diversify your meals. And remember, if you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. So there you have it. By integrating apple cider vinegar into your nightly routine and salads, you can enjoy its potential health benefits while adding a flavorful and nutritious element to your diet. Experiment with different recipes to find the combinations that best suit your taste preferences. And remember, the journey to health is always best enjoyed with a dash of creativity.
In conclusion, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your nightly routine offers several health benefits, from blood sugar regulation and weight management to gut health improvement and immune support. Always start with a small amount and monitor how your body responds.